Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video I'm going to show you guys how I applied this lace closure unit that I made from the Glam House collection with Bows Holds lace jelly. So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video we are going to put on a lace closure unit that I've created, already styled, with the bow hold lace jelly. I haven't used this product. This is going to be my first time using this. You guys know the product that I love to use is the liquid gold. So I'm going to start off with the Skin Protect. This is a 5x5 closure. This is what I cut. You see those? Just zigzag lines. And then I'm just going to tint the lace. And I think I'm going to use just any old powder would be fine. I'm just going to use my MAC powder. I rather use powder. I don't like to use the liquid. Is this the right one? You can use whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you like. So I'm just going to put a little here, because this band here is a little thicker. I already put some jelly on my cap to hold it underneath. So we're just going to put a little bit of that on there. It's already kind of blending into my skin, as you can see. The inside here, you guys can see the difference. I don't like baby hairs. If you guys notice, I really don't wear baby hairs when it comes to my hair. I don't really like that. Lace is tinted, knots is not there really. So I'm just gonna put it on. And I learned this trick from a hairstylist. Her name is Mad About Michi. I think her salon name is Hair by DeFranco Salon. She's here on YouTube. I'll leave her video below. She leaves this out, and how I made my wig. I can do that as well, so I'm gonna leave a little out. It kind of gives her a little extra lift too to me, so as you guys can see, it looks really good already. So I'm just going to add a little bit more here. To hold my cap down, because girl, I don't want my cap sliding and slipping. Okay, so that's all set. So I'm going to pull that up just a little bit more. Make sure this cap is down. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the jelly. And you guys, a little at a time, like literally a little at a time. Putting too much product makes it clumpy. It makes it turn white. It just doesn't go on smooth to me. And make sure you have a towel or a napkin near you so you can wipe off your fingers. So I won't get this jelly on my hair when I try to put it on. I'm just going to slide that down and place it exactly where I want it. And make sure it's down in the back. I'm gonna go in and put a little more on here. And over here. And then what I am going to do is use my scarf. Girl, this looks so good. Like, girl, come on down and get you a good wig made, girl. Come on down. Let your girl hook you up. I am gonna put on anything I put on my edges, or you know, to hold it, is still something silk or satin, because it comes up better. When it comes to cotton, it kind of sticks to me. And you gotta leave this on to me for at least a few minutes. So I'm just gonna let mine stay on and push that in. So y'all see it's just a little bit of white there. So what I'm gonna do is use the Skin Protect. I'm just gonna spray a little bit. And get all that off of there. Just like that. So this is glued down really good. So I'm just going to comb that. I'm going to go over it a little bit with my foundation brush with no extra product. Y'all, it looks good. Like, don't worry about that. Okay, so this is the look, guys. Everything is glued down. Do you guys have any questions